from Utopia, and I am going to show you how to make topiary tent pole clusters. This is something really popular to add color to a tent and kind of decorate the poles a little bit. Just add some pops of color. We are doing a 50s theme, so our color scheme is wild berry, black, chrome silver, and tropical teal, which I always call turquoise. So basically, to do this, we're going to need 8 balloons, so 4 duplets. So if you don't remember, a duplet is a set of 2 balloons tied together. So we are going to take 1 duplet and a second duplet and twist them together, and a third duplet. And now here's the tricky part, right? Because it gets kind of unwieldy. So what I do is I kind of like hold it against my body. Really bad if you're wearing a shirt that's going to show all the dust. And then I just kind of push it in and then crisscross it. We'll do it one more time here. Take it like this, kind of brace it against your body, separate these, kind of hold it in and crisscross. And now we have our 8 balloon little topiary cluster. I'm going to take a 160 and just put it in right through the center. Really important that that center is tight, not all stringy. They're all twisted together in one place. Okay, we're just going to give this a little tie. So for this one, we're doing these clusters on every other pole, but just so you can see what we're doing, essentially, I'm just taking the 260, wrapping it around tight, okay? And I'm too short to do this, so I have Amity, who's taller than me, doing it, but she's holding the camera now. And then you don't have to tie it in the back, like you don't have to go crazy. You can tie it in the front even, or like wherever it's easy for you. So you just kind of want to tie a double knot, push it up to where you want it. Amity's gonna have to push this one up for me. We might do 3 on that side to make it match. And then, you know, just kind of trim off the excess. I definitely recommend having your tallest person do this part. Not your little shorty like me that's like, But anyway, so there you go. I don't know if you can get a good view. This is kind of what it looks like. And you can see it really adds a lot very easily to the tent and the whole outdoor event. It really works great also for the 10 by 10 easy ups if you just want to add a little color, call more attention to that booth. So there you go. That's how we do the little tent clusters in a 50s theme. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share it with everybody you know. Subscribe to my channel. Tell everyone you know to subscribe to the channel. Go get my books on Amazon. And until next time, go forth and balloonify.